Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download voice note from WhatsApp on iPhone. So if you got a voice note from your WhatsApp contact and now you want to download and save the voice note to your phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Once you open the WhatsApp application, locate the chat and then click on it. Then you should see the chat like this. On the chat, locate the voice note you want to download. Now go ahead, press and hold the voice note. Once you press and hold it, locate and click on the forward button. Then you should see one selected. Then click on this share button at the bottom right. Then once you click on that, swipe up, locate to save to files. Click on that. Then give this a name. So I'm just going to say WhatsApp voice note. So just go ahead and then give it a name. So this is a WhatsApp voice notes, and then click on return. Then click on save at the top right. Once you hit the save button, you should see the WhatsApp voice note saved. Now exit this, go ahead and open the file app on your iPhone. So just scroll through and then open the file app. If you couldn't find the file app, use the spotlight search and search for files. Open it, then come back to my iPhone, and then you should be able to see the WhatsApp voice note you saved. Is that WhatsApp voice notes? And then you can go ahead, click on it to play it, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to download voice note from WhatsApp iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.